To freeze your credit with Transunion, start by visiting their official website and navigating to the Credit Freeze section. Click on the option to add a security freeze and you will be prompted to create an account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, you will be required to provide personal and identification information, including your name, address, social security number, and date of birth. This is a standard process to verify your identity and ensure the security of your credit information. After verifying your identity, you will be asked to confirm that you want to freeze your credit report. It is essential to understand that a credit freeze prevents lenders from accessing your credit report, which can prevent identity thieves from opening new accounts in your name. However, it also means that you will not be able to apply for new credit until the freeze is lifted. If you are sure you want to proceed, confirm the freeze and you will receive a confirmation message with a unique personal identification number. This number will be required to lift or thaw the freeze when you need to apply for credit. Keep it in a secure location to prevent unauthorized access to your credit report. It is also crucial to note that you will need to freeze your credit report with the other two major credit bureaus, Experian and Equifax, separately, as a freeze with Transunion does not automatically freeze your credit report with the other bureaus. Freezing your credit report is a proactive step in protecting your identity and preventing financial fraud. By following these steps, you can effectively freeze your credit with Transunion and add an extra layer of security to your personal and financial information.